Hi, in this video, we'll take a look at how you can issue tickets for client bookings using SimplyBook.me. You will be able to scan the tickets using our mobile app or manually input their codes to validate them upon use. Let's begin by navigating to the custom features page of your SimplyBook.me account to enable tickets. Click on the main configuration if you want to extend the time window for ticket validation or display its status in your calendar. Below, you can configure the ticket-related notifications. Enabling tickets for a service or class is as easy as toggling the respective switch in Manage Services or Classes depending on which you would like to configure, choosing the template and saving changes. Your clients will be able to access their tickets on your booking page or from their mailbox. You can scan a ticket using our mobile app or manually validate it by inputting its code into the designated field. Lastly, if you click on the hamburger icon, you can access the ticket report or create a custom ticket if you have a premium subscription. If you want the QR code to contain additional booking-related information, you can consider using our Tickets QR code feature as well. If you found this video helpful, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel as well as follow our social media pages below. Thank you for choosing SimplyBook.me.